Hi boys and girls, today you're going to make a card for your parents. Here's a picture of what it will look like when you're done. The first thing you need to do is you need to go and get the blank card from Mrs. White. It has your number on the back of it. Pause the video and go and get the blank card from Mrs. White. All right, welcome back. Now that you have your blank card, you're going to open it up. You want to make sure, see how there's no number showing here? You want to make sure that the number's on the back side, and then open the card up, and you're going to write your note to your parents. You could write Merry Christmas. If you want to write something else, that's okay too. Then at the bottom, you sign love, put a comma, and instead of these dots, you're going to write your name. Pause the video while you do that now. All right, now you want to close your card up so that it looks like this again. The opening should be on this side and the folded edge over here. If you didn't fold your card back up, go ahead and do that now. All right, Mrs. White has a tray at your table that has all of these supplies that you're going to need. You're going to start by taking one of the little brown trunks. Go ahead and glue it at the bottom in the middle of your page. Pause the video while you do that now. Good job! Now you're going to get 3 triangles off of your tray. Pause the video while you do that. Go ahead and use the glue stick to glue them on your card, just like this, so it looks like a tree. Pause the video while you do that. Now go back to the tray and get 1 star. Now the stars have a sticky on them, but you probably want to use a dot of the liquid glue to put the star on. The star is going to go up at the top of your tree. Pause the video while you put the star on. Now you're almost done, and you need to do a few more things. You're going to use the liquid glue to put dots where you want to put the sequins that will be the ornaments. So go ahead and do that now. Now there's only 1 bottle of glue at each table, so you're going to need to share. All right, you have the glue dots on there. If you still need more time, pause the video. Now you are going to get the different color sequins, and you're going to put 1 on each dot of glue. After you put them on every dot, this is what your card will look like. Now remember, you wrote a note to your parents inside, so there should be your name right here. And we're going to find a spot in the room for you to set it to dry. Great job making your card.